Good morning, students. So what did you see in the last class? We saw a new number. What was the new number that we saw in the last class? We saw about pi. And what is the value of pi? The value of pi is approximately equal to 3.14. And what is the perimeter of a circle? What gives the perimeter of a circle? The perimeter of a circle is given by, yes, 2 pi r. Now, today we shall see a new concept, but in the previous classes we have seen that as the number of sides of a polygon that is inscribed in a circle increases, the perimeter becomes closer and closer to the perimeter of a circle. Okay. Now, does the perimeter just increases as the number of sides of the polygon increase? No, right? Its area will also be increasing. So here we can see that as the number of sides of a polygon that is inscribed in a circle increases, the area of the polygon becomes closer and closer to the area of the circle. Let's see a video on it. Now from the video, we are able to clearly understand, right, that as the number of sides of a polygon increases, it becomes closer and closer to a circle. So its area, the polygon's area will also become closer and closer to the area of the circle, like this, right? As the number of polygons inscribed in a circle increases, the area of the polygon also becomes closer and closer to the area of the circle. Okay. Now here, let's consider this. This is a regular pentagon that is inscribed in a circle. All of its vertices, that is the vertices of the pentagon touches the points on the circle. Okay. Let this point be the center of the circle. Now, we shall join the vertices of two of its vertices to the center of the circle. Let's name this pentagon as A, B, C, D, E. So we have named the pentagon as A, B, C, D, E. We have drawn the point O as the center of the circle and joined the point O, that is center of the circle, to two of its vertices E and D. Now, into how many triangles like this? You can divide this regular pentagon into how many triangles? Yes, you can divide this pentagon into 5 triangles like this, right? How will I see? Join all the vertices of the pentagon to the center of the circle and you will get 5 triangles like this. Now, consider triangle OED. O, E, D. Okay. Now, draw a perpendicular from this O to its opposite side. Now, let this length be H and length of the side EDB S. Okay. So, now what is the area of a triangle? What gives the area of a triangle? Area of triangle half is into base multiplied by height. This gives the area of a triangle. Now, we have half into, what is the base? Base is S. And what is height? h. So the area of triangle is half into half sh. Okay. Now, how many such triangles do we have? We have 5 such triangles. So the area of the polygon, that is a pentagon, area of the polygon is given by what? The sum of the areas of these 5 triangles, right? That is half SH plus half SH plus half SH, half SH, 2, 3, 4, half SH. Right? This gives you the area of the polygon. That is 5 times half SH. Right. Now, what is the perimeter? What is the perimeter of this polygon? That is pentagon. What is perimeter? How do you get it? If the centimeter, one of the centimeters 2, then the polygon's perimeter is given by 2 multiplied by 5. That is 10 centimeter, right? That is, we multiply the length of one of its side by the number of sides of the polygon, right? Length of one of its side. Multiplied by number of sides. So what's the perimeter of this pentagon? How many sides does it have? It has 5 sides. And what is length of one of its side? What is the length we have taken as? Yes. This 2 I just wrote it for an example. What is the length we have taken? Yes. Okay, and what is the height we have taken here? H. So, for getting the perimeter of the polygon, we have multiplied by the length of one of its sides, the number of sides. The number of sides, it has 5 sides, and length of one of its sides is S. So, 5S is the perimeter of the polygon, that is the pentagon. So, now area of the polygon, what can we write as? Here we have 5 S into half H. Right? We can write it like this. What is 5S? 5S is the perimeter. So we have 5, half PH. 5S is what? P. So P into half into H. What is it? Half pH. So the perimeter, so the area of the polygon is given by half pH. We know that as the number of sides of the polygon increases, it becomes closer and closer to the circle. So what is the area of the circle? So the area for the circle will be given by half into perimeter into height, where height can be taken as the radius. Let us consider this hexagon. How many sides does it has? It has 6 sides. Now, similarly what did in pentagon, we shall do it in the hexagon also. So, into how many triangles can we divide this hexagon into? As we can divide it into 6 triangles, right? Here, how many sides does this pentagon have? 5 sides. So we could, we were able to divide this pentagon into 5 triangles. Here, hexagon has 6 sides. So we can divide the hexagon into 6 triangles. Okay. Now let the center be marked as O, and we shall join the center to the vertices. We shall name this hexagon as A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay. Now let the perpendicular be marked as L and the length of the side be of M centimeter. Okay. Now, what is the area of this triangle OED? Area of triangle is given by half into base into height. That is half into, what is the base? M. And what is the height? L. This half ML is the area of the triangle. Okay. Now, what is the area of this polygon hexagon? How will you get? We know that the area of this triangle OED is half ML. In order to get the area of this hexagon, we have to multiply the area of triangle OED by 6 times because it has 6 sides. Okay, 6 such triangles. Okay, so half multiplied by 6 ml, 3 ml. This area of hexagon. Okay, got it right? Okay, now what did we see in the picture? In the picture we saw that there's a circle and triangles inscribed in it. The center O, the vertices are joined to O. What was the triangle? A, O, V. This is a point P. This length is S. And what is the height? The height is H. What we want to find? We wanted to find the area of this triangle AOB. What is the area? Half into base multiplied by height. What is half into, what is base? Base is given by S. And what is height? Height is H. Half SH is the area of the triangle. Now we are given a picture like this. It is given that the height of this triangle AOB is M and the perimeter of this polygon what is it? It is given as P. Polygon. Perimeter is given as P. What do we have to find? We have to find the area. What is area? Area is given by half into perimeter into height. It's given that the perimeter is P itself. P multiplied by what is the height? Height is given as M. So the area of this polygon is half PM. Okay. So now you understood, right? To find the area of the circle. So find the area of the circle. The perimeter of the circle is given as P. and the diameter is given as 2 cube. You find the area of this circle. What is the formula? We use the formula half into perimeter into radius.
Find the area of the polygon that is given. Here we are given a hexagon and the center of the circle is joined to the two vertices of the hexagon. Find the area of the hexagon.
So hope you understood this class.